Welcome, TMBW family. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting things you can do, setting your first big money goal as a family.
But here's the secret. This isn't just about money. It's about teamwork, patience, and teaching your kids a smart plan for their dreams.
But saving is so boring. It just feels like waiting and no.
Amara is right. And that is why we don't save. We have a destination. A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but its persistence. A family can't be persistent without a reason.
So today, we're building your reason. We're turning a boring chore into an exciting family quest. Step 1 is finding your why. This is a family meeting. Grab a pizza and a big piece of paper.
This is the best part. Everyone gets to dream big. A new trampoline, a trip, a castle.
Exactly. Let every idea be heard, no matter how wild. Then you can make a suggestion box or take a family vote to choose the one goal that everyone is truly excited about.
The shared dream is your destination. It's the why that gives your whole family the inner courage and patience to make the journey.
Okay, you have your quest. Now you need a SMART plan. We use the SMART goal framework.
S, specific. Not a trip, but a 3-day trip to the beach. M, measurable. It will cost 500 pounds. A, achievable. Can we realistically save 500 pounds? Yes. R, relevant. Does everyone really want this? Yes. T, time-bound. When? We will save 500 pounds in 4 months.
And now, you make it visible. You create a goal thermometer.
Draw a giant thermometer, put 0 pounds at the bottom and 500 pounds at the top. Put it on the fridge. Every time you save money, your kids get to color it in.
Watching the chart fill up is the best. You're not waiting anymore, you're building.
But what happens when you mess up? You ordered takeout, you broke the plan, and now the kids are upset.
This is where most families give up.
This is the most important lesson. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. A journey is not a straight line. Falling is part of the process. It is not failure, it is learning.
It's just a pause button, not a game over button. You just look at the thermometer, see how far you've come, and you start again. That's inner courage.
And then, the best day. The day you finally hit the top of the thermometer.
You did it. You filled the chart. Ring the bell. Have a dance party.
This is a non-negotiable step. You must celebrate the win. You're not just celebrating the thing you bought. You're celebrating your family's persistence.
Goal achieved! We did it! We finished the family money quest!
You've shown your children that a dream plus a plan plus persistence equals reality. That is a lesson they will use for their entire lives.
So, your SMART plan for tonight is simple. Just start the conversation.
Ask your family, if we could achieve one big, amazing thing together, what would it be?
Let us know in the comments. What was your family's first big money goal? Or what do you want it to be?
Follow Tiny Mike Big Wisdom for more wisdom to grow together.
So from all of us at Tiny Mike Big Wisdom, we really hope you enjoyed this podcast. Once again, hit that button. It will help us grow. See you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.